Hi, today in front of me Nokia G60 and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So just now by double press the power key we can only lock our device, and if you wanna open for example the camera app by double press the power key, we should first open the settings and then scroll to the system section. After that, click here to the gestures and tap to quickly open camera section. Now just to open the camera by double press the power key, we should use only the switcher. And now let's try, and we can see that the quick launch from power key button successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.